are at this resort called
Zermatt.
Zermatt. It's Swiss, or Swiss inspired, I guess. It's way bigger than we thought it was.
Forest cut with it and put pixel on there.
I have been to those places.
Been to Sydney, Tokyo,
LA. That's about it.
I've been to
Oh, New York, I've been there.
I've been to New York.
So, is this where you got that thing?
Yeah, with the cookie sticks.
Gotta love transition glasses.
This takes you up to their village. During the wintertime, and then they'll work for cruise liners during the summer. Because these places, they offer housing to their employees.
Oh, how cute!
Tomorrow, we're going to Deer Valley, followed by Brighton, then Big Cottonwood Canyon, followed by Snowbird, and Little Cottonwood Canyon. And that's it.
Okay, we are in the room. This was the rest day. We're back, ready to watch the bowl game. Got my Tennessee gear on. We just did a ton of shopping. Got a lot of stuff, a lot of good deals, which is what I like. So, yeah, pretty fun day off.
Here in Jacksonville, and the fans have responded in full force. And after the first 2 weeks of the season, you would have guessed the Smith Bowl this year. Oh,
Woo!
and
Here come the volunteers.
They certainly know how to milk it, don't they? A dramatic entrance for the guys who...
So we're gonna try some of this southern food that they called it. So we got this. Kevin got some
Hillbilly fries.
hillbilly fries. They are loaded. And yeah, watching a game. So let's go Vols. All right. We decided to just go ahead and head on down to the hot tub. We'd given up on the game because we were pulling a big old classic Tennessee Vols flop.
When does adult time?
We had to leave the pool area because it was too crowded. And then we saw the score, and now we're watching the game on Kevin's phone.
Go back to week 1 of the season when Tennessee was upset
It's the
by
first time
Georgia
this game
State at
over.
home, and after that game.
Okay, got our gear. We're headed over to Deer Valley, and I'm gonna try skiing. Here we're entering Deer Valley. I didn't actually get much footage of me skiing, thankfully. I fell so many times. To be fair, we got straight on the lift and I didn't even really get a chance to learn how to handle myself on the bunny hills first. I did the homeward bound trail over and over again in Deer Valley. The next day we went to Brighton and Big Cottonwood Canyon, I believe. No matter where you drive here, you get these incredible views. This day I decided to take some ski lessons, which were extremely helpful, although I pretty much stuck to the smaller training slopes here. All of these really awesome clips and shots are actually Kevin's, since he was up on the more difficult trails. He got some really great views. Alright, so now we're on our way to Snowbird and Little Cottonwood Canyon. Again, just these amazing drives into these mountains. You can see here all of the cars just coming on in. Lots of cars. So here's Snowbird. I actually got on some of the normal trails again, the non-bunny slope ones. That was pretty fun. Okay, jump in time here. We've been skiing for 3 days. Well, Kevin has been. I've been falling.
I've really been flying, just been grabbing the ground.
I've just been grabbing the ground. So that was a fun time. We stayed at Iron Blossom with an A and one S. And now we're going to Great Basin. We're not really sure what's going to be there. And we have a lot of driving, because ultimately we're going to end up in Vegas. So, yeah. And then we go home tomorrow.